Okay, so I'm working on a 2001 Ford Ranger. This one is 2.3 liters. So we have a leak, EVAP leak. So, and the car is running really rough. So let me show you. Okay, so as you can hear and see, we got a large EVAP leak. So I tried to see where it comes from, and the first thing I thought it was the throttle body, but it wasn't the throttle body. The issue of these Rangers are in the intake manifold. Let me see if I can. As you can see, that part right there. Okay. So you can see in this area right here. Because with I used one from the junkyard. You see this part right here? So this is where the leak, EVAP leak is coming from. So this little part right here is damaged. So that's why the car is running like that, shaking, and we got misfires. So you got two options. In this case, the customer got the intake. He get the intake from the junkyard, and this plug right here looks good, but the plug over there is really damaged. So two things you can do. First thing is use a little bit of silicone, like black silicone, and just fix the plug, or you can replace the whole intake. In this case, we're going to replace the whole intake. So let me show you what code I'm talking about. Alright, so the leak is coming from there. Okay, so right here I got the codes. P0171 is system to lean. We got a misfire in 301 is because the intake. We got the throttle body position sensor, low input, and we got the fuel level sensor. But all these codes right here, this one 30171, is because we have a lot of air coming inside the engine. So this is the code we're gonna fix, and we're gonna fix this code. The misfires and everything is gonna get fixed too. So this right there. You add a little bit of water right there. You can see there's a little air coming inside the engine. Okay, so I hope this video helped you guys if you got this issue with your Ranger. Remember, the P0171 is always, or sometimes, is this plug right here. So I'm going to replace the intake, and I will show you how the car is running after I replace the intake manifold. Okay, so in the end we have to remove I'm not going to remove the intake. The only thing I'm gonna do is I wanna put a little silicone in the plug, because this intake right there, this one is not the same as this one. So in the end we have to remove no, the air hose that was here. We're also removing the power steering pump. So this one comes with 3 bolts, and you have 1 bolt behind the line. Let's see. You can see right there is the bolt. So we have to remove that too, because I want to remove this one, because I want to see if there is space here to put the silicone. So you have to just get number 10. You just push it. So remember, you don't have to remove the line. So So before if you decide to change the intake for another one, the first thing you have to do is check if it's the right one, because you don't want to remove the intake, and when you check the other one and not the right one, so you have to put it back on again. So it's a lot of work to remove this intake. So there you go. Okay, so as you can see here, okay, so you can see there is the plug is right there. So you can see right there is the hole. So that's the one we're going to use a little bit of silicone to put it back. See? So here is the one is damaged. There is the hole right there, so right here. Okay, so the silicone that I'm going to use is the one that used on the windshields. It's a black silicone and it's really strong. I'm not sure the name, but I'll look for it, and I just wanna add it to the video. So for now, I think that's it, guys. Oh, one more thing: when you add the silicone, just add around this area right here, around, and when you put it back like this, add the little silicone on the back right here. Let it dry it about 2 hours, and you're ready to go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you to find the leak on your Ranger. Sometimes it's really hard to find leaks, air leaks on the engines, but in this case my gross leak is from there. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. And if you have any question, just send me a comment down below this video, and I'm glad to answer all your questions. Right, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.